When evaluating whether Questrade Plus is worth it for active investors, you need to weigh its monthly subscription cost against the specific tools and perks it unlocks. Priced at $19.99 per month, this optional tier is designed primarily for frequent traders, option sellers, and those moving capital across currencies regularly. To determine its value, let us break down what you actually get with the upgrade. Questrade Plus includes real-time streaming market data packages that normally carry a separate fee, giving you faster pricing insights across major exchanges. For options traders, it provides a cashback incentive of 5 cents per eligible U.S. equity option contract traded. Another major financial perk for active participants is unlimited free online journaling. Standard accounts charge a fee of $9.95 per request to journal shares between Canadian and U.S. currencies. If you frequently journal shares to bypass foreign exchange conversion fees, executing just 2 of these requests a month completely offsets the cost of the subscription. The package also bundles a 1% match on registered retirement savings plan contributions, alongside lifestyle perks from partner brands. However, if you are a casual long-term investor who only buys and holds exchange-traded funds or dividend stocks a few times a month, the standard free tier already covers your fundamental needs. Basic charting tools, custom alerts, and standard order execution are accessible without paying the monthly fee. Therefore, Questrade Plus becomes financially viable only if your trading volume, options activity, or currency journaling frequency generates enough savings or cash back to outweigh the subscription fee. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.